everyone, it's Shannon here, and I'm really excited for you. If you're watching this video, it probably means that you made your first Poshmark purchase. So congratulations, that's so exciting. I know that feeling. It's like scary, but also so exciting when you see that you made a sale, because you know that you made a sale. First of all, that's so exciting, but then it's like, oh, how do I ship this out? Oh my gosh, it's so nerve-wracking. What if I do it the wrong way? So I'm going to give you step by step how you are going to package it, make it personalized, and send that baby out. So congratulations. So the first thing I want to say is that Poshmark is a very reliable website. Don't worry about having your credit card information on there. I've sold so many things. I've bought so many things. It's safe. So it's very reliable. So don't worry. So the first tip I want to point out is USPS, blah. The post office gives free boxes, anywhere from envelopes to like this big of boxes, I would say, and they're for free as long as you ship through them. So it's totally available for you to use these as Poshmark sellers, which is so nice. You don't have to worry about saving up boxes or buying boxes. It is provided. So this is the small one. It just has to say the priority mail. It can't be, there's another one, it's like priority next day shipping mail or something. It can't be those boxes, but you can use these priority mail boxes. So what you're going to do next is you're going to go onto your email. Poshmark would have sent you, this is an example. I used whiteout for protection for this video's sake, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so this is what is going to come in your email. You just print it out, and then you're going to use some handy dandy scissors to cut it out. And you want it to look nice and neat. So I'm just going to fold it for now for the video's sake. Keep it nice and short. So you want it to be something like this. You want it to look kind of neat and crisp. So the next thing you're going to do is you are going to tape it on the box of your choice. You can use any box that you want. I've gotten packages where it comes in like Amazon boxes and stuff. So, and literally any box is fine. But you do want to keep it like looking nice. Sorry for this lighting, it's crazy. You do want to keep it looking nice and clean, because you want good reviews, because the better reviews you get, I would say the more people buy from you. If you have really poor reviews, it's not going to look good and people might be a little bit skeptical. So you want to use this clear tape, and you're going to tape right over this. Use 3 strokes. You can get this at Staples, but I highly recommend getting it from the dollar store. You don't need the highest quality. You just need it to get the job done, and you want to use as little amount as you can on packaging, I would say. Sorry for this lighting. Okay. Yeah, so tape over this, and then it's going to be nice and pretty. Sometimes I'll put like send with love and like really fancy writing on the box. I think it's just really cute. And then, so for example, I'm going to pretend that I'm selling this Mickey Mouse phone case, which I'm not because I love it. Okay, so a lot of people I see have like plastic not baggies, but like these nice plastic things, and I don't know, it just makes it look more professional and like you put the time and effort. I also see people putting like tissue paper on like nice packages that I get. I always write a letter to the person. It kind of shows it's more personal and you're going the extra mile. So like this one, for example, I put, because my person that it's going to would be Kim, for example. So I'd write Kim with like hearts all over it, and then I would open it up and it would say something like, "Hi Kim, congrats on receiving your new phone case. I'm so excited for you. I'm so happy that it found a great home. XOXO Shannon." And then on the top usually I put like a Bible verse or like some inspirational quote, and almost like I've had so many sales and almost all of them say thank you for the note, I love it, and then they'll like agree with my quote or comment farther on it. It honestly goes such a long way. So that's basically what you do. And then you can run it to the post office, which is nice if you want it like scanned right away, but you can also give it to the post office man when the postman, sorry, when he comes to your house to drop off the mail. You can also give it to him. Usually with my experience with that, it doesn't scan till like that night or the next day. So those are your options. So it's really not that difficult, guys. Just make it personalized, put a nice note, even if it's like, enjoy this, love Shannon, something like that. But I usually go the extra mile and write out a full note. I do love to write. And also, some of the packages come with like these little sticky things that you peel off and you just stick it, so it saves on tape for you. That's just another little tip. But some of them you do have to tape up the whole thing, some of the bigger boxes. So I really hope this video helped, and happy poshing, and congratulations on making your first sale. That is so exciting, and good luck for your small business. Praying for y'all. Bye.